now going to demonstrate the wrapping technique of one leg for some of the other components that we do, rond de jambe en l'air, when we do développé to second. You can add the TheraBand to that, as well as tendu rond de jambe exercise that can happen against the wall. So again, you take the same length of TheraBand. This one's a little bit trickier because the TheraBand will want to roll, so you have to really be careful that you're not letting it. So again, I'm finding the center as best as I can. I'm going to take it and place it underneath the foot. And my leg is bent for wrapping purposes, so I'm going to take the one inside TheraBand and I'm coming around, so now it's crossed in the front of my ankle, but I'm going to take it up so that it goes around where above the knee, so that I'm not actually wrapping around the knee. We want to make sure that the knee is free. And then I'm going to sit, so I've done that twice, trying to get it as flat as I possibly can and pulling it relatively tight to keep that flatness. And then I'm just going to sit on that end so that I can work the other one. So same thing again, I'm taking it around the ankle, or just crossing in the front of the ankle, I should say, and then behind the calf, but I'm coming up to above the knee, and I'm going to do my wrap around the thigh. If you can, you're going to do it around again. If you can't, then it's just the one wrap. And then I have both that can be held in one hand.